let's talk about ranch. Ranch is famous. Everybody loves ranch. But what makes it so famous? What makes ranch so good? Well, it's the dill. Everybody loves the dill. Ranch would not be ranch without dill. So we have to make sure we have plenty of dill. We're using powdered dill or dried herbs here. You can make it with all fresh herbs, but I like to use the dried. It makes it easy. I can put it in the refrigerator. It'll last a couple of weeks in the refrigerator if it lasts that long because we scarf it up. So let's go through everything. First of all, I have 2 cups of sour cream. I have some half and half to thin with, and you can thin with buttermilk if you want, or buttermilk powder here, 5 tablespoons. We have 3 teaspoons of dried parsley. We have 1 teaspoon of minced onion. I don't like mine oniony, so I don't use it. You can up it. And all of these can be adjusted to what you like on your personal level. The next thing that I have is some garlic powder, 2 teaspoons. Then I have some onion powder, 2 teaspoons. And then 1 teaspoon of dried dill. And then in the middle is 1 teaspoon of dried chives. That's all there is to it. So we're gonna put all of this together in our little container here. We're gonna mix it all up, put the lid on it, and then put it in the refrigerator. So all of this goes in. Here's all my powders. Goes in. I'm gonna mix this up really well. And I always try to make this a little bit before I need it so it has time to rest in the refrigerator and have all the flavors mingle. And we're just going to keep mixing it. And then in a minute, I'm going to start adding some cream. Or like I said, you can use buttermilk. Some people take half and half and they put mayonnaise and they put sour cream. So you can do whatever you want. But it's 2 cups of some kind of creamy goodness and then thin it to the consistency. If you want chip dip, you might want it thicker. If you want to drizzle it on salad, you might want it thinner. So sometimes, excuse me, sometimes I will take out part and keep it for dip and then thin out the rest for dressing. So then I always have something to dip my carrots in or my broccoli. So see, we've got it nice and mixed. There we go. Now I'm going to start adding in some half and half. It's just cream to thin it up so it'll be drizzly on my salad. Now, you can dip your pizza in this. You can do whatever you want. And then it can sit. I'll leave it a little bit thick. I like it to be not watery drizzly, but I want it to sit in a pile on my salad. There we go. I think we need some more in there. I use my little spatula because I can get all in the corners. But you can use a whisk if you want. Add some more. Stir it all up. And I'm just going to keep going until I get what I want. There we go. I think that's pretty good right there. And you know, I do the powder all together and put it in a Ziploc baggie and stick it in the cabinet. And then later on I pull it out and it's ready to go. All I have to do is dump it in my sour cream or my mayonnaise or whatever it is I'm putting it in. That looks pretty good. I'm going to go some more. But like I said, if you like it more oniony, add more onion powder. You like it more garlicky, put jalapeno, dried jalapeno powder. Make you some jalapeno ranch. And you put you some avocado. Make avocado ranch. They do all kinds of crazy stuff with ranch. I had a friend one time who made chicken fried steak and then she made the white gravy and put the ranch in the gravy. She said it was really good. I was like, okay. My lid, it's going on, and now it's off to the refrigerator, and we will knead it, and we'll pull it out, it's ready to go. There we go. Ranch dressing. Side salad with ranch, homemade croutons, and a little cheddar on the top. Iceberg lettuce mix, which has carrots and other things in it, some little tomatoes, and purple onion. It's very traditional, all American. Here we go. So this is our dressing, our ranch we made the other day. Put it in the refrigerator, so now all I have to do is get me some out, put me a nice big dollop on the top. Just like you'd get at the steakhouse. Here we go. And then I'm going to put my cheese all over the top of it. I'm going to salt up my tomatoes a little bit. A little bit of pepper over everything. And then some homemade croutons. And I'll have a link on how to do those. And so we make them up, put them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc baggie, and we have them ready to go. So there we go. Our ranch side salad, all American. Can't get any better than that.